mnum personal box of Topps Chrome Football. Let's get some crazy color. Crazy color, come on. Sometimes the color's better than the auto. You never know. Tamahali refractor in your first pack. Blake Bortles, retro rookie. Nice, Jadeveon Clowney green, out for the season, but he'll be back at full strength next year. Clowney green refractor rookie. Your die cut rookie is Devontae Freeman. Here's some pink. Charles Sims, pink, numbered to 399, rookie. Yeah, he was. Unfortunately. Pierre Garçon, rookie. Or not rookie, wow. Definitely not rookie. Refractor. Here's Bortles rookie. And an man, that's a good rookie pack. Bortles and Odell Beckham. Nice. Here's a Dion Bailey rookie sepia numbered to 99. Very nice. Rookie sepia to 99. Oh, sweet. Julian Edelman, 1,000 yard club. A couple of those in a case. That's it. Antonio Brown refractor. Arthur Lynch, rookie autograph. There's your autograph, Arthur Lynch. Yeah, there's only a couple of those per case, those 1,000 yard clubs. He said, ouch. Teddy Bridgewater, tall boy. Tall boy of Teddy Bridgewater. Come on, little buddy. There we go. Another refractor of Jamal Charles. Trey Mason. Retro. Tavon Austin refractor. DeAnthony Thomas retro. There's a light blue wave coming up. Devin Street light blue wave rookie. Those look awesome. Fantasy Focus of Demaryius Thomas. Those cards are trippy on the eyes. Paul Richardson mini. Get you a Johnny or a Carr rookie here. Come on. Julian Edelman refractor. Kelvin. Earl Thomas refractor. Retro of Marquise Lee. There's a Pulsar. Pulsar refractor of Antonio Brown. Antonio Brown Pulsar. DeMarco Murray Fantasy Focus insert. Trey Mason Mini. Trey Mason Mini. And got a refractor of Mr. Joe Flacco. So mnum, there you have it.